Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. So we're just taking a look at Verasity here, and as we can see, it's looking like it is still, extremely low volume, basically doing very similar things to, as we said, a lot of cryptocurrencies have been doing recently. We've essentially just been chopping up in a pretty much a sideways motion in the market like this, haven't we? As you can see here, we've obviously dragged our Fibonacci from this high to this low here, and you can see we've pretty much lined up perfectly with this previous resistance here. That does need to become, we do need to come up and retest this level here, don't we, at that 3/4 of 1 cent level, which would be our next target. As we said in our previous videos, essentially here, the last time that Verasity came up like this and basically broke out of our 20 EMA, it started to consolidate between the 20 and the 55. We got that break to the upside, and now looking like that is basically what we are doing here right now as well. A big pump to the upside like this, basically getting caught in between the two EMAs, and we're probably hopefully going to see that breakout to the upside, in which case we are going to see ourselves heading up towards some of these swing high levels at around 1/2 cent here, and that 3/4 cent level as well. As you can see, this local downtrend, lower lows and lower highs, we have actually come up now and made a higher high, and if this is the higher low, then we could see ourselves reversing out of this local low here and heading up towards some of these key levels, one being here, and then obviously this one being here, this one at the 0.23 Fibonacci being a big level that needs to be tested as well, isn't it? We do think Verasity, obviously it's a top quality project, isn't it? The fundamentals are obviously really good, but it's basically getting no trading volume right now. The volume is extremely low. You can see the movements in the market here are actually pretty low as well. If we look at the hourly time frame, you can see there's a lot of chop in the market, no real volume or direction in reality. You can see retesting these lows on the hourly time frame. You can really see that there's a lot of big wicks and candlesticks, a lot of indecision in the markets in general. You can see, in our opinion, we're probably going to be seeing a good amount of volume returning to the markets over the next few months if we do see Bitcoin heading up and continuing to head up with any great aplomb. But Verasity, really, it's just coiling up, isn't it? It's still coiling up and waiting for its time, in our opinion. A quick look at the weekly time frame as well will probably confirm some of that as well. Looking like, for a long time here, we're just red weeks all the way down. A little bit of a renaissance here, and now that we've headed down here to around 95% down from the all-time high, that is usually when you do start to get a little bit of a consolidation and renaissance for cryptocurrencies in general. And you can see here for Verasity that basically that is what we're doing, isn't it? We're just essentially bottoming out, consolidating, chopping sideways. Sellers are looking pretty exhausted, and what we're looking for now is a bit of correlation to the wider market for some moves to the upside. So as we said, our targets to the upside will be this swing high here at 1/2 cent, and that 3/4 cent level at the 0.23, definitely a level that we will be targeting as well. Obviously, if we do roll over from here, we will be heading back down to the low here, down at around that, the 0.0035 cent level as well. So overall, Verasity doing like a lot of cryptos do, just heading sideways right now, waiting for a wider market move. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.